What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, the best place for affiliate marketers and entrepreneurs. Today I will be looking at internet scams and how you can spot your scammers and fight them off, especially now that your online business is growing and bringing in some money. There's no shortage of people out there who would love to take your hard-earned cash. With all the new techniques, it seems that scammers get more and more clever every day. And today, I'm going to go over 5 of these to ensure you do not get caught this season. These 5 are internet and phone based, and I want to give you tips on how you can defend yourself against them. I'm Dr. Loendi from legitblueprint.com, where I provide advice, training, and reviews to help you create and grow your online business. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe for my channel, and ring the bell not to miss any of the forthcoming videos. The scammers are usually very active in this last 2 months of the year, as it's holiday season and they also need money. And this is the time that everybody buys gift and give away money. So you don't really think of scammers. But let's look at scam number 1. Email scam. This is a very clever email statement that people are sending you. The scammer will impersonate somebody in your company, the manager, the CEO, somebody high up in the hierarchy, and use their actual email account where they broke into the email system. They will email people at the company asking them to buy gift cards and say it will be a gift to the other employees on the company or on your team. The scammer will tell you you will be reimbursed, and then you need to send the gift card codes to them, so once you all get together, this will be gifts from you. Once they have these codes, they will disappear. This is a very clever email-based scam, and it's more common around holiday seasons. Usually, the scammer is using the person's real email address or spoofing it. Now that you know about it, please ensure you check with the person by calling them before you buy any gift cards. These scammers will email multiple people in the company, so make sure you call or go and speak to them in person to ensure other employees are also protected from this. Scamming number 2. Fake shipping and tracking emails. The scammer will send out a whole lot of these emails pretending to be targeted by Amazon or other online stores. They will give you some kind of login link to track your order, but then they take you to a phishing site designed to look like the real site, and when you log in, it will steal your credentials. You will find a lot of variations to this, but it all boils down to the same thing. They need you to click on the tracking site to be able to get your credentials. These scammers are so good. You honestly believe this is from a real company. I had this and I was waiting for a parcel. I still made sure and checked and rechecked, and for sure this was fake. They also sometimes steal previous order data and add it to this email, as well as your real name, to make it look legitimate, and hope you do not find out about the scam. This is a tough one to detect, but now that you know about it, I hope this would help you to be more diligent before just opening an email like this. This is also very common during holiday seasons and holiday months where people order more online. And with Corona-19, this type of scam exploded. Tips here is to be highly suspicious of any shipping confirmation if you did not order something. If you ordered something, the store will mention the product name that you ordered. So if this is a generic email, be highly cautious before you open them. Go to the site directly before you open any email like this. The next scam is really sophisticated, and even a savvy person might miss this one. This scam takes advantage of virtual assistants like Amazon Echo, Google Assistant, Siri, and any of the others. The scammer will look up the business and the customer support number for that business to use. They will give you this number with a fake number, and then they will ask you to call support. They will find something that will link you to the website. They may ask you to install something on your computer or log onto a fake website, or they might hack into your PC and steal your information. The worst part is that you called the company and you never expect any scam or fake. You do not even realize the number you just called is not real. The only way out of this is not to use virtual assistants to order or dial for you. Make sure you dial it yourself. Check the number on your order to ensure this is not a fake number. To be sure, never call a phone number in an ad in search results. This is a pain, but it might save you losing your hard-earned cash. Scam number 4. This is the phishing scam. And this is an old type of scam. This is the time that scammers use to get most income every year by connecting you to a fake website that looks legitimate. The scammers send you to a login page similar to what you already used. You have a login form, and as soon as you add your information, the email and password goes directly to the scammer. Now they will log into the real website and access your account. They will buy on your name, use your information on the site to get the transactions complete. This is a phishing scam, and this has been around as long as the internet is open, and it's not going away. How to get away from this? It's not to trust any email links, even if it looks like it's a form or a trusted sender. I know this is hard, and all this technical stuff makes it easy, but also for the scammers, it makes it much easier to get hold of our hard-earned cash. Now let's look at the last one. Bank details. We won't give our bank details out. We all learned not to do this, but the scammers are quite clever. The final one is a tricky version of a classical bank phone scam. I encountered this in August this year, and the scammers were able to transfer my money to a utility account. These type of scammers are pretty smart. They call you up pretending to be your bank fraud department. This seems to be very legitimate, and they would ask you if you made a purchase, which you did not, or they want to update your information to protect you from scammers. They promise to block the transaction if there was a transaction, or, as I said, in my case, they wanted to update my information because I got a new visitor's card. They would ask for your member ID or your user ID, but not your password. Then they will go to the bank, use the lost password function, and log into your bank account. The scammer will ask for the code that you just received, and you would not connect it to a password change or a bank login, as it does not mention this when the code is sent to your phone. Depending on your bank, they may have enough to steal your hard-earned money, which happened in my case. Lucky, it was not yet payday, and I transferred most of my money out of my account. So it was still my money, although not a lot. I'm still quite angry, and I reported this. But if I will really get my money back is a question I'm asking myself. Obviously, Everyone knows you never give your bank or PIN number out. But with these scammers, they are so clever that they ask information to take over your account without you even knowing it. The only way to get away from these scams is to not give any information and to hang up. And then you can call the official bank number and ask them. And what I've learned from this, although extremely careful, I was still tricked and lost money. The trick here is that you do not know that you gave them information that they can use to log into your bank account. So be extra careful, especially when someone calls you and claim to be your bank and ask for your information. Never give out any information, even if they do not ask for vital information. The scammers get hold of what they need to complete their mission. If you call the bank, use the official phone number and talk to someone at the bank, you will be safe, not losing your money. Hope this was helpful. Seeing that you are growing your online business and making money, scammers might be targeting you to try and collect the money that you earned. So let's look at the summary. Beware of scammers. And make sure that your online business that you're working on and growing for an income is not attacked by scammers. In summary, I can just mention 419 scam, where someone is telling you they want to share their money with you for a small fee. Or you have won the lottery and you have never even signed up. The US government were giving out money 6 months ago because of Corona, but they were calling me and telling me if I pay $800, I will get or $200,000. Of course, I didn't trust this. And just a week ago, I got a call from somebody and they said Facebook is now giving out $200,000. But I have to pay $1,000 just for a small transaction fee, and then the money will be paid into my bank account. So make sure and beware. No money is easy to gain. As you know, with your online business, it's hard work and we have to be consistent. There is no fast cash in this world. Scammers are professional cons. They just spend all day coming up with ways to trick you. So be alert. I'm Dr. Loendi from legitblueprint.com, where I provide advice, training and reviews to help you create and grow your online business. Check the links below and sign up for the 12-step free course on how to grow your online business successfully. If you didn't already, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell not to miss any of my forthcoming videos. Thank you for watching. See you on the other side of the screen in my next video.